Okay, guys, today is unboxing day, and
Our samples finally arrived.
Okay, and so here we got the Shenzhen sample. So like, this is from our dearest fan Edmund Tao, and guess what? This guy sent me Sean the sheep. Yo, say hello. Hi. Okay, so like. Alright, so we got two people, right? Two founders. Why we only have one sample? Why?
Because we ordered another one from a baddie in Fujian.
Oh, okay. Wait,
We're
guys.
still thinking if we should ask her phone number.
Alright, check. Guys, is that a smash or a pass, bro? Comment below. Okay, so like we're gonna unbox it right now. Okay. Our executive designer is gonna unbox it, okay? He designed this clothes, that's why the honor is on him, okay?
We designed this cloak from a 10-minute Canva design.
Oh yeah, definitely, and with Pole.com.
Yeah, so you guys should definitely support it.
So like, we need to take off the glasses so that we can see clearly what it is, okay?
You guys ready? Okay, the back, it looks decent now, It looks decent.
Okay, the fabric, okay. 100% cotton. Yeah. Okay, how we open this? Okay, we got here, y'all. Our brand logo, guys. Twister from the design.
You see, this is premium silicone print.
Silicone print, bro. We spent so much money on this, bro. Okay.
Now it's time for the big review. The logo in the back. That's what's most important.
Alright.
Okay.
Show the audience. Show the. Oh.
Wait.
Okay. Except for the fact that this puff print, y'all. Okay, the puff print is not bad, no.
Not bad.
It's pretty deep.
It's pretty puff. We would say.
Yeah, it's not like it doesn't go down. You know what I'm saying? Like, and silicone. Let them see clearly about the silicone. Oh, okay. So soft, so silky.
Check the inside as well. So soft. It's all cotton.
So like now we're gonna go on trying it on, and cause it's like 18 plus later on, so we cannot let you guys see it, and since it's on YouTube, yeah, not on porn. Okay, so bye. Just act like what we need to do. What do we need to do?
We need to maybe redesign the logo, maybe redesign the print.
Guys, check this out. The size doesn't fit.
We kind of fucked up our first sample.
Do you like our sample, guys?
Now put it on. Like, you put your head through.
It's so tight, bro. Like the size just doesn't fit, bro. Check. Do I look buff, bro? I look at it.
At least it makes you look like buff.
Yeah.
Turn around. That's not bad.
It's not bad, but like, you know, like the shirt just doesn't fit. Bro. So what do we do?
We've got to redo the sample.
Yeah. And guys, do you want like a after we succeed, do you want like this special edition where it's that make you look buff? You see me now? Get it closer. see, I look buff, right? I look buff, guys. Like you see, this is so big and then it's so small. It just makes me look a bicep look strong. Alright. So what do we need to do?
Logo, size we can go with the Jason Young one.
So do we need to change the print?
Do you want to? But we cannot do it raw. It's still puff, but we tell them to please make it a bit less puff.
Sit. Sorry. Guys, what happened to okay, so guys,
the samples are kind of ass.
yeah.
And then the puff print. The puff print's a bit like too puff. They want it to be a bit like more flat, you know what I'm saying?
Well, we're like so disappointed, man. Like look at the sheep. See? Unhappy sheep, bro. Admin Chow, we're so disappointed on you, man. Okay, so what do we do?
I guess we gotta tell the baddie to change the.
Alright, what do we need to do?
We need to contact Fujian, and then if they are almost done, or do you want to wait for them to come and then get quit?
Well, what's the difference between giving them the feedback now and later?
Speed it up. If they can fix it now, we wait a bit longer, and then when we get it, it's an actual functioning thing. But if we don't wait, if we wait, it's gonna take like another week for it to arrive, and then 我们再反馈过去，然后他们又要做 it's gonna take a long time.
So do you want us to make it the whole black and then this is white?
It doesn't look as good.
But like, if it's dirty, people gonna see it. If it's white, like you can see it very obviously. You know, like, guys, this is not for you. This cut off. If it's dirty, people gonna see it. Like, look, this place is gonna see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so make it black.
黑的不好看啊。
你觉得这个好看吗？你觉得这个好看吗？
It's okay. It's okay.
This one's supposed to be aesthetic, bro. This one's supposed to be.
Imagine if we ordered fuck sustainability.
No, at least even though if it doesn't look good, it still have like some design. Like in the market, there. Have you ever seen a good hoodie? I never seen one. Like a good aesthetic one.
Hound?
Yeah, except for Hound. Okay, so what do we do now?
We
Alright, let's
can try to
do this.
Do you want to mark it with this?
I think we should change the logo, kind of.
We stopped recording.
Bye bye.
No cops around, I guess.
Hey yo, what's up?
What up, bro?
So what's that for?
Oh, that's just for like a demo for the youngsters.
Okay. Did you check any cops around?
Nah, they know.
Okay. So like, I got the good stuff, bro, from America, bro.
How much you want for it?
1,000.
Man, I can't afford that.
Bro, come on. I lost 5 men because of this, bro. They are my brothers. Look at this. From the gun shop, bro.
Shoot. 600, come on.
Not enough for the funeral fee, bro. Alright, 700, okay, since, you know, 幫襯咗我咁多年, you know what I'm saying?
700.
700.
Sure, I'll take it.
Let's go.
So, bro.
See you around, bro. Man.
这个慢慢做出来。
我就出来，对。OK， 可以啊。
Why is it so complicated?
Oh, this guy's praying to the hoodie.